Hey man, why are you putting ice on it?
The ice helps loosen the grime and speeds up the reaction, but I can see you're in a hurry. Now we do it high-tech.
Stop buying your mom those toxic, heavy-duty chemical cleaners. This is exactly why she does not need another stronger cleaner. She needs a smarter one. Just look at the way this high-heat steam melts right through years of grime. It gets straight into those stubborn grout lines, the tight corners, and that gross buildup around the bathroom where dirt absolutely loves to hide. You can literally see it breaking down the mess on contact. And the best part? No harsh chemical smell burning her eyes, and no more breaking her back scrubbing on her hands and knees. It is faster, easier, and way gentler on her joints. Honestly, when one single tool can help her deep clean the entire house like this with half the effort, it's an absolute no-brainer. Now listen, these went incredibly viral last week and completely sold out, but they just restocked on the TikTok shop, and right now they are running a massive flash sale with free shipping. But deals like this do not last long. Tap the orange cart right here and bring home the cleaner that actually makes the job easier. Do not wait until it goes back to full price. Grab yours before they're gone again.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.